You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, a useful word to know from French, meaning nightmare in French. How do you say nightmare in French? Translation: cauchemar. Cauchemar. A-U together form the sound O in French. Cauchemar. CH is pronounced more like SH because it's French. Cauchemar. In English, if you cannot pronounce French perfectly, be said as cauchemar. Cauchemar. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.